My question 2 is about what is your roles and responsibilities in the current organization. When they are asking this question, specifically they are looking for what is a day in day out you are doing as a SAS programming at your office. So what you need to tell that, okay, so we are working like a 4 members as a team. So in this team, one is a trial programmer, another one is a trial statistician, and 3 more persons we are like a support programmer. So my role is a support programmer in my present project or study. What I will do is, so there will be a tracker at somewhere, so in our documents, so in our regular common sharing folder, so there will be a tracker. The tracker will have with my name and what are all the outputs to be created or what are all the data sets to be created. They already assigned with my name. So my lead programmer will assign the names accordingly, according to each and every person's role wise. Whatever the work we need to do, we'll do it the same. So most of the times the roles are like, I have done creating tables, listings, and as well as very less time I have done the figures. 1 or 2 figures I have generated as of now, but I have spent more time on tables and listings, and as well as sometimes I have created some data sets also. So you can tell that the data sets, I have created an ADSL data set, and as well as I have created an ADAE data sets and all. So you can just tell that. So that is the roles. So you always get the data, and the data will be in the form of a common sharing folder. You will connect that particular data by using a libname statement, so that you will connect to a SAS. So that is how you generally start my work. You can tell that as an answer. So then from there onwards, we'll try to developing tables, listings and figures, whatever is required based on looking into the TFL shell document. We'll try to develop it, and once that is done, I'll just add those for my reviewer. So reviewer means the person who is developing this particular outputs is going to be a developer. Person who is reviewing it, the counts are what we are getting, it's correct or wrong, and those are all those things we can get it through reviewer. So we'll assign this particular task to a reviewer. Yes, I have done some roles like a reviewing part also. I have done some validation work also, and some of the outputs I have validated. So demographic tables I have validated, concomitant medication table I have validated, AE related data sets I have validated, something like that. You can tell that. So make sure your role should be combination of all. You have done the development part and you have done the validation part also in the present organization, because we never know that what type of job they are going to look for you. If you are giving exposure on both sides, I have a knowledge, so that will be mostly enough so to just tell your roles and responsibilities. So this is all about what is your role and responsibility in the current organization. So you worked as a developer, you worked as a validator. Developer, all the table creations and all I have done. Validation, all the validation things I have done. What is validation and all? They will ask you the question on that. We are going to discuss that in my next questions. So to answer this question, so this is the answer for you, the roles and responsibilities.